6.1 Suping. 6.1 that said that given PQ is equals to 4 units, show that A is equals to 1, B is equals to -1, and C is equals to -6, So about file f of x, about file f of x, which is ax squared plus bx plus c, Then if I check more your graph, about this distance here, and when to list of this, okay. This distance here is equals to 4 units, What do you know about distance LMO y axis? Distance LMO y axis, what you know, y of p minus y of q is equals to 4 units. I will include your x because emo y axis if you include your x shall be over 0, 0, sharp. So what you know, y of p minus y of q is equals to 4 units, Sharp. If you check point P, if you check point P, it's the y-intercept of g of x. Now, if you check point P, it's y-intercept of g of x, and you have g of x as minus 2x minus 2. So if I'm saying that point P, it's y-intercept of g of x, meaning that for y-intercept, let x be 0. So you're gonna just substitute 0 more there for your far y of p is equals to I get minus. Oh yeah, I get 2. Sure, get 2x, It's 2x minus 2, Therefore, to get y of p, if I'm saying that it's y-intercept, not another 0 more your minus 2, yeah. So not more q okay sharp. If I have minus 2 minus y of q is equals to 4, meaning that minus y of q it 6, yeah. Therefore divided by -1 divided by -1. Because Gishiche this 2 to the other side. If Gisha this 2 to the other side, 4 plus 2, yeah, which is 6. Meaning that my y of q minus 6. Sharp. If can this function ax squared plus bx plus c, I wanna ask is if can this thing here as ax squared plus bx plus c, check out my q. It lies on my y-intercept, on my y-axis, I mean. It lies on my y-axis. It means that q it's y-intercept of what? Of f of x. Sharp. For y-intercept, let x be 0. So if kilogala 0 moki, do cancel this one do tamanga. Kashala c. And remember that y of q it's minus 6. So meaning that for y-intercept, the neutron function is equals to minus 6. Meaning that c is equals to minus 6. The value of c how always, guys, it's y-intercept. Value of c how it's always the y-intercept. Sharp. No, so que prove you c gets minus 6. Sharp. Check about file turning point t. If can I list something like ax squared plus bx plus c, which is f of x. If I want to find x coordinates, turning point, I'm gonna say x coordinates turning point minus b over 2a. Sharp. Like the formula. Check about file x coordinate yang turning point, which is 1 over 2. Yeah? So x substitute 1 over 2, meaning that 1 over 2 is equals to minus b over 2a. Then cross multiplication, So minus b is equals to a. Because 2a multiplied by 2a multiplied by 1, it's 2a. Yeah? Therefore, 2 multiplied by minus b, it's minus 2b. Yeah? Then we divide both sides by 2, minus b is equals to a. Or should I do it 1 multiplied by 2a king, get 2a, yeah. Is equals to 2 multiplied by minus b king, minus 2b, yeah. Then divide both sides by minus 2, divide both sides, got 2, man. Divide both sides by 2, divide both sides by 2. So this one and this one will cancel out, this one and this one will cancel out. So as a means, I'm busy with something, as a means. So it don't find a is equals to as a means. As a means. Okay. Yeah, that's it. As a means, I'm busy with something, as a means. As a means, I'm busy with something. Oh. So that's why I said that a is equals to minus b. You guys get this part? I can say this is my first equation, né? Sharp. Check out more functioning now. More functioning now, more feeling. More feel at this point here. Point D. More feel at point D, né? When x is minus 1, y is equals to minus 4, né? So if finally ax squared plus bx minus 6 is equals to f of x, né? If x is minus 1, kalokala minus 1, minus 1 minus 6 is equals to y should be minus 4, né? Y should be minus 4. Because I use this point here, I use point D. Then more kickinally a minus b. Then if Kisha 6 to the other side, they jump from minus 4 plus 6, which is 2. I think it's equals to 2. Minus 4 plus 6 equal 2. 2. Ne? I can call this my equation 2. Check out something. Kinali a is equals to minus b. So mo ke bonang a ngana minus b, ne? Or mo ke bonang b mo ke bonang minus b ngana a, ne? But sharp mo ke bonang a ke minus b. So mo ke ne ba minus b is equals to 2. Then mo yam fa kai minus 2b is equals to 2. Therefore, I divide both sides by minus 2. Then b I am minus 1. Then I said a is equals to minus b. Ne? So to get my a, I'm going to substitute minus 1. Ne? So okay, sharp minus 1. A is equals to multiply a, my negative multiplied by negative is positive, so equals to 1. Then I see the 5 marks. Yeah. 6.2. 6.2, they're saying that determine the value of what? Determine the value of t. The value of t, y coordinate 13.4. Y coordinate 13.0. So if you didn't get 6.1, just know that f of x how? F of x how it's x squared minus x minus 6, you know? Then to find the value of t, you're just gonna substitute x here how as what? As 1 over 2. Is it 1 over 2 or minus 1 over 2? 1 over 2, ne? So Moki are just gonna say 1 over 2 squared minus 1 over 2 minus 6. Therefore, t away from guy minus 25 over 4. Yeah, then you got your 3 marks. Sure. They're saying that determine coordinates of A and B. A and B are how key are x-intercepts. So you know that for x-intercepts, you're just gonna let what? You're just gonna let y to be 0. Ne? Then you're gonna say f of x is equals to 0. Therefore, can I lay 0 is equals to x squared minus x minus 6. Then what are my values? What are my factors? Then generally x is equals to variable coordinates in the x coordinates, variable coordinates. So meaning that you're gonna say a is your a negative or positive? Negative, you know. So meaning that you're minus 2, ne? Minus 2 is to 0. Then yeah b your vice analytic. Let raise to 0. X squared minus x minus 6, you know. Elisanzele kaniling 2x minus 2. This is your point of intersection, you know. So sharp, you're just gonna say x squared minus x minus 2x, you know. Minus 6 plus 2 is equals to 0. Therefore, only x squared minus x minus 4 is equals to 0. Then factorize this thing here over x positive and a minus, ne? So it's minus 4 and what? And 1. Sharp. So meaning that normally x should be minus 1 or x should be positive 4, ne? So meaning that point E, initially the x coordinate is C2, ne? Which is minus 1 and 4. So and check out point E how. Point E how it lies above the x-axis. So meaning that point E out should be what? Should be positive. X out should be positive, right? So meaning that more or choose 4. So it over 4, ne? So to get the value here, y, you're just gonna substitute x is equals to 4 more either this equation or this equation, ne? So you can substitute it more 2x minus 2, ne? Then you have 6. Therefore, only 6. So point E how it's 4 and what? And 6. How many marks? 4 marks, yeah, another 4 marks. 6.5. 6.5, they're saying that determine the range of f, you know? It's minus it's minus 24 over 5 or 25 over 4, ne? 25 over 4. So range how on all the minus then come on all the what? Come on all the positive, you know? This is how you can find so to find the range, you know, automatically setting lead negatives, you know. Then what's the first thing that you touch in terms of y? What's the first thing that you touch? The first thing that you touch is minus 25 over 4, ne? So the values come are they greater than or less than minus 25 over 4? The values come are they greater or less than minus 25 over 4? They are greater, yeah? So range how should be y should be equals to or greater than minus 25 over 4. Because the first thing that we touch, it's what? It's minus 25 over 4, ne? Then the last thing that we touch is a positive infinity, ne? So the first thing that we touched, which is minus 25 over 4. Then I said the values come in this side. Are they less or equals? Are they less or greater than minus 25 over 4? They are greater than, right? So y should be greater or equals to minus 25 over 4. This is your range. Others can say y should be minus 25 over 4 until positive infinity. If we build a socket, it's the same thing. I get to live one of them. Which one do you guys prefer? This one. Oh, yeah, this thing and this thing is same thing. Yeah. Aye. Wait. Angel domain dimina. Angel domain dimina. Where a graph it until graph we fell langote. So check. If we said negative infinity, graph we negative infinity. Graph it what defined the point minus 25 over 4. The first thing that we touch, a define line graph it's minus 25 over 4. So engebe banyaka domain check. Always you talk negatives always. Come you have your negatives, come you have your what? Your positives. So engebe banyaka domain, not to this side. Then what's the first thing? But what's the first thing that we touch? It's an A. It's minus infinity. Therefore, what's the last thing that we touch? It's an A. It's a positive infinity. So meaning that domain how X is the element of all my numbers, or X is the element of